How to get 0.5x on TikTok. So if you want to get 0.5x on your TikTok, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, now the next thing you need to do is you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, now if you have any updates on your TikTok, you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, you need to open the TikTok application. Now go with bottom middle, which has a plus icon. And after that, go with 15 seconds or 60 seconds, anything that you're comfortable with, and start recording a video. Now once you're done recording your video, now you need to simply go with the upper right, which has that edit option. Now under edit, you need to simply select the clip, and after selecting the clip, you can go with the speed option, which is on the bottom. Now under speed here, you need to simply go with 0.5x, which is right here. So place your finger on 0.5x, and that's it. That's how you can get your 0.5x on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.